What is good, everybody? I'm bringing you guys another reaction video. This is gonna be Dude Perfect airplane trick shots. You guys know who Dude Perfect is. We react to tons of their videos. Some of my popular videos are on there, but this airplane trick shots, Dude Perfect is number 5 on trending. So let's just get it.
This is the triple hoop loopy loop. Coming at you, coach. Ready? It looks good.
Oh, hell no.
Plane to the chest.
Alright, I really want to know how long it takes for these people to do this stuff. What the fuck? Oh man, I need to stop cussing. YouTube is really cracking down on that stuff.
This is the limbo lander.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I see you.
Loop and land. That is awesome.
That dude said loop and land.
Pilot tie coming at you from the top level at DPHQ2. As you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of
That
my
man
plane
got a
because I've
razor blade at the end of it.
Downstairs in the kitchen, and this is the blind balloon buster. Here we go, boys.
What? That dude wasn't even, bruh. That's wild. That is wild.
This shot right here is about to be so lit, fam.
My man said,
I'm just kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
bro, fuck out of here, bro. Man.
Cody and Ty get a lot of credit for doing the trust shots. I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this. If you get this
Bloopers on this. Man, you guys know there's no way. First try, there's no way. So you know, already know there's bloopers on this all the time. Ooh! That's wild, bro.
I mean, come on.
If you think that thing had a razor on the end of it, if you think I'm doing that, heck no.
We no longer have any wings.
I ain't doing that.
Got our modified plane, a couple wing tip adjustments, and
giant ass balloons.
this is the barrel roll bomber.
Bro, what the? That thing said twirl.
That was amazing! Bad Cat, this is Speedbird. I've been hit. Need immediate evac.
These dudes some wild dudes. I mean, I done said that in all my, all the videos that I reacted to with these people. These are wild dudes. Literally, these.
Truth is, that went a lot differently in our minds.
These dudes are wild, bro.
He was so much safer floating down in his parachute. This is the airplane boomerang. Yikes.
Oh heck no, bro. You got life. Oh. See now that okay, that's alright, but
Ladies and gentlemen, here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles. Here we go!
no.
This is the double bottle buster.
No.
Shot.
Okay. Bruh.
We are bringing you innovations that have
I
never
hope you guys know you do like how much force you have to put on breaking that.
This is the banking gauntlet.
Because without just knocking him over, he just split them. Bruh, these people gotta spend like
Twin spin. Here we go, Gordon.
all day, all night doing this stuff. 100%. 100%.
Let's go! Woo!
Check me out.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to you, quick and fast, you call the Dude Perfect Express International Swisher. It's go time.
Let's see it then. Let's see it then. Let's see it then. Ooh. Okay. From all the way from the side, the other side of the court or whatever. Dang, that's wild. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If there's anything you guys want me to react to, just let me know in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. We're doing this daily. I got tons of things coming to the channel. I'm out.